Students, myself Ashok Kumar Rajawat, PGT Chemistry, KV Bharatpur. In this chapter 5, we will read about acids, bases and salts. Now, consider taste of some common edible substances. Edible substances have taste. Some have sour taste, some have bitter taste, some have sweet taste, and some have salty taste. Like lemon juice has sour taste, orange juice has sour and sweet, vinegar has sour taste, curd has sour taste, tamarind has sour taste, sugar has sweet taste, common salt is salty, amla is sour, baking soda is bitter, grapes is sour and sweet, unripe mango sour, and glucose is sweet. Now, we will read about acid. What are acids? Acids are substances which have sour taste. These substances are acidic in nature. Now you know that the substances which are sour in taste are called acids. So in this table which you have examined, you can see some sour tests are there. So all these are acids. Now vinegar contains acetic acid, antisting contains formic acid, citrus fruit like lemon, orange contains citric acid, curd contains lactic acid, spinach contains oxalic acid, amla contains ascorbic acid, and tamarind, grapes, unripe mango contains tartaric acid in it. Now, we will read about bases. We will come to know in this chapter about bases. Bases are substances which have bitter taste and have a soapy touch. These substances are basic in nature. We can take example like lime water, which contains calcium hydroxide, window cleaner, which contains ammonium hydroxide, soap, which contains sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, and milk of magnesia, which is used as antacid, which is used as antacid, contains magnesium hydroxide in it. Now there are few substances which are neither acidic nor basic, are called neutral substances. Substances which are neither acidic or nor basic are called neutral substances, like sugar solution, salt solution, distilled water, etc. Now, how we come to know that a particular substance is acidic or basic? For this, we have to use indicators. Substances which changes their color in acidic and basic solution are called indicators. Example: litmus solution, turmeric, china rose petals are some naturally occurring indicators. Students, now we will perform an activity to understand, to know about the substances which are acidic and basic, which we are using in our daily life.
Acids are those substances which have sour taste, bases are those substances which have bitter taste, and salts have salty taste. एसिड जो है उनका स्वाद खट्टा होता है, बेस जो है वो स्वाद में कड़वे होते हैं, और सॉल्ट जो है वो नमकीन होते हैं. नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू क्लासिफाई द थिंग्स विच वी यूज इन आवर डेली लाइफ according to their nature: acid, base, and salt. Now, just observe these things. This is tamarind, this is tomato, this is lemon, this is orange, this is washing soap, and this is toilet soap. These are sources which we use in our daily life, and this is bottle of vinegar. Now you know that the taste of lemon is sour. Now we put it here. Taste of tomato is also sour. Taste of orange is also sour. Taste of tamarind is also sour. Taste of sauces is sweet and sour. So these are the substances which have sour taste. It means that there is acid present in these substances or edible ornaments. Now, a soap is bitter in taste. If we taste the soap, then it tastes bitter. So soap is a base, where this is salt. It has salty taste. And this is sugar. Sugar neither have sour taste or nor bitter taste. So it is a neutral compound. It is neither acid nor base. So like this, there are many things which are acid and base we are using in our daily life. And till now